Arrive in style with this Buick 2021 Enclave Avenir. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 1 SP, 3.49 axle ratio, wheels, 20 aluminum with premium pearl nickel finish, wheel locks, 7 passenger seating, perforated leather appointed seat trim, Avenir technology package, radio, Buick infotainment sys AM/FM stereo with nav and floor liner package, LPO. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.